Hello, my name is Marjo Lahtima. I work as an R&D engineer at FläktGroup. I would like to tell you about our new, modern supply and exhaust valves, LUMI and LUMO. LUMI and LUMO valves are very unique for many reasons. But what really makes them stand out is the new decoration frame. With the frame, it is very easy to customize the valves to blend in with the interior. The decoration frame is very easy to use and you don't need any tools to customize your valves. Or you can use the valves without any decoration frame or wallpaper, just as they are. Both supply and exhaust valves are available with the same round and square front plates for unified look. Both the supply and exhaust valves are very easy to install. They can be installed either on the wall or the ceiling, and they are suitable for renovations or for new buildings. It is very easy to adjust and measure the valves, and it can be done directly from the valve front without removing the valves from the frame. Measurement results are always accurate, since the measurement is done from the same place. Thank you for watching. You can find more information about our new valves from our website. LUMI and LUMO, designed to blend in, engineered to stand out.